You hear that crunch? Wow, look at that. Ooh. You guys, listen to this crunch. I love the skin. Wow, listen to that. Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make crispy roast pork belly, popularly known as lechon, thitheo quai, chicharrones, mu gras. Everybody has their own ways and takes to make this. I've done it and made it in so many different ways. Score the meat portion of your pork belly. Season whatever you have at home. Even salt and pepper would do. I'll list all the measurements and instruction in the comment section. Once seasoned, we want to poke a bunch of holes. I'm using a meat tenderizer today, but you can use a bamboo skewer or the tip of a knife. Yes, I went in. Next, brush some vinegar on the top of the skin and a little bit of salt. This is going to help draw out the moisture. Once complete, place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 12 hours or overnight, uncovered. Next, add a little bit of water to a cooling rack, place down your pork belly, roast this at 350 for 45 minutes, then lower your rack second from the bottom at 450 for another 2 hours. You guys, listen to this crunch. Wow, look at that. Follow for more.